Hi guys, my name is Rachel and you're watching The Sailing Siren. Today I am here at the Dead Sea where the question is, can you free dive in the Dead Sea? The Dead Sea is 9.6 times saltier than the ocean, so I'm wondering if it's even possible to do a duck dive. Let's go find out. Okay, moral of the story is that the salinity of the Dead Sea makes it almost impossible to do a duck dive, and it is very much impossible to dive underwater with the amount of weight that I'm using right now. It's crazy because you can actually see how much salt is in the water when you're swimming around.
If you've been training hard, it's important to relax, rest, and treat yourself. Depending on where you go, there are hot springs right on the shore of the Dead Sea to rest sore muscles and take in the view. If you go at the right time, the Dead Sea can be as flat as glass and reflect the surrounding scenery like a mirror.
Tell me about the mud of the Dead Sea.
It is so good for your skin. You put it on your skin and you feel like $1 million. Like you were zero. Like you were like a baby, like you were just born.
I tried some of the mud for myself and my skin did indeed feel softer.
You buy one, you get half a one for free. You buy two, you get the third one for free.
While you most likely won't be able to get below the surface to explore deeper, snorkeling at the surface of the Dead Sea will reveal otherworldly crystalline caves and salt formations, and there will be areas of unique mixed visibility where there are temperature and salinity differences.
Please note that the water in the Dead Sea is extremely caustic and you can do some serious damage to your eyes if you get some water in them.
In order to get this footage, I had fresh water waiting for me on shore to rinse off with before and after taking off my mask, a towel to dry off with, and a dive buddy who could safely navigate me back to shore if water leaked into my mask and I had to get back to shore with my eyes closed.
While I didn't have the time to go here in person, I did get a recommendation from local freedivers to check out En-Gedi Nature Reserve.
The Dead Sea serves as an oasis for wildlife, and if you're lucky, you can spot foxes, songbirds, ibex, and more.
Lastly, if you have your own camping gear, there are plenty of amazing places to check out the night sky and watch the sunrises and sunsets.
When Dor was a child, the Waterline went all the way up to the road where you can see the cars. Now, the Waterline is retreating at about 1 meter per year, and the picturesque views that you see from resort advertisements are actually photos of an artificially maintained reservoir.
The Dead Sea is being drained to harvest minerals, phosphates for fertilizers, and more.
In addition to the impacts of these factories, the sources of the Dead Sea are also being drained as sources of fresh water. Dor and I talked about some of the changes that he had seen in the Dead Sea over the last few years, and then he took me on a tour of some places that were now abandoned but used to be bustling tourist districts.
Okay, so we are gonna go check out some sinkholes. Sinkholes happened because they've drained the Red Sea so much that it makes the land unstable. And when the water tables collapse that low, it creates these massive sinkholes. So let's go check them out. And so all of this was still going when you were, how many years ago?
When I was 18, that's like 14 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
And now it's
Like
turned.
families, everything is families, and you know, cars. This was a large park, car park.
Wow.
And there between, gas station, nice beach, everything.
If you're interested in another video that exhibits how much the Dead Sea is being drained better than my basic editing can do, feel free to check out this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody who might be interested in checking out the Dead Sea, and let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Please feel free to check out my channel for some other freediving related videos from Israel. I've been documenting some discussions about freediving related topics with my coach Aaron Solomons, and I'll also be posting updates about my training and some fun dives that I've been doing in the area. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to receive notifications anytime I post a new video. Okay, thank you so much for joining me on my adventures in Israel, and I will see you next time.
No, I don't want another coffee. I'm gonna be like, wee!